Have you ever wondered what technology can truly achieve? Welcome back to Intruder Security. In this video, we are going to dive into the world of Worm GPT, from what is Worm GPT to the future of Worm GPT. So, what exactly Worm GPT is? Worm GPT stands for Worm Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is an AI tool built on OpenAI's GPT architecture, designed to generate text based on prompts provided to it. Unlike others, Worm GPT exhibits advanced capabilities, enabling it to produce malicious and harmful content with no restrictions. Is Worm GPT free like Chat GPT? No. Worm GPT has its paid version and can cost from €100 to €5,000. Worm GPT is available on hacker forums, Telegram channel, and Darknet. CheckEPD versus Worm GPT. ChatGPT, being bounded, has limitations set by the author of OpenAI. It cannot produce anything that it is not trained for or restricted to scout. Worm GPT, on the other hand, has no ethical boundaries to follow. It has no limitations to overcome. To explain it in simpler words, ChatGPT has been trained to follow a set of rules. These rules can even stop its users from giving unethical prompts or abusive commands. The dark side of AI. Using Worm GPT is really dangerous because it goes against the law. It involves doing things like hacking, stealing data, and doing other bad stuff that's not allowed. Worm GPT is different from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is made by a trustworthy group called OpenAI, and it's meant for good things like helping people with conversations. On the other hand, Worm GPT shows how criminals can copy advanced AI chatbots to make their own bad tools. Worm GPT, being a black hat alternative, has many features. It is capable of generating unlimited amount of text. Can generate malicious content like phishing emails, exploit code, etc. No ethical or legal restrictions over the operations. But is Worm GPT limited to this? The answer is no. Let's explore the real side of Worm GPT. According to creators of Worm GPT, they are planning to mark Worm GPT as uncensored AI and not black hat. They are consistently trying to convert Worm GPT to be used for ethical means, such as using it for bug bounty purpose, adding more security, or creating testing tools like network analyzer, code blockers, and more. Use it for fixing issues like SQL injection problems. Worm GPT is consistently being considered as a devil, is a fake mask over the era of cybersecurity. Limiting the AI tool is good, but using it for ethical purpose would change the look of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. That's all in this video. If you love the content, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press that bell icon for our latest videos notifications.